In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 5 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we required one more variable j with nested while. While j less than 5, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, j value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print the result, we are going to use if-else condition. If I modulo 2, if it is even line, then print character 69 minus j, which is going to print EDCBA. Separate every alphabet with single space character, and if it is even line, then print '65 plus j, which is going to print A, B, C, D, E. Separate the alphabet with single space character. After printing every line, we want to begin from the new line. For that, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal, py_square.py. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.